All right, it's time. Had to go back and get them. More starter decks. I did a blister pack video as well, so check that out. But this is where the heat is. This is where the heat is. I'm not gonna lie to you. So let's not waste any time. The last starter deck video was hype. And now I've got double the packs, or double the boxes. So, you can only imagine. So, let's break into these. Now, I will say, I would love a Crow Scorch Stellar. I think that's my preferred over the two. But as always, got the nice D20. Let's take the packs out. I'm thinking maybe I should open the starter decks first and then just do all the packs at the end. So try and Stellar Hunt first in the packs with the 4 decks and then do the 12 packs at the end. I know everybody loves watching people struggle with this saran wrap or cellophane or whatever it is. Get these out of the way. Now, here's the moment of truth. We always get a hollow. We got the Stellar. Nope, not this one. We got 3 other shots. Just make sure there's no error. Nope. All right, well, there's one. Let's rip into these. What's this one? It's Crow Scorch. I would love to get a Stellar, I'm not gonna lie to you. I've been in a drought, which makes sense. I mean, it's not easy to get one. There's only 99 of these cards made, but you can't win unless you try, right? Got another. I'm gonna have so many of these. All right. So many starter deck boxes. Make sure I don't cut cards that actually matter, or the 2 in the front. That'd be horrible. Got to be an easier way for this, but keep that down. Don't want to spoil anything. That would be tragic. But we got the Crow Scorch and nothing. Let's make sure. Nope. Put that right there. Put these back in the box. Don't have a whole lot of room to work with, so gotta get these out of the way. Let's do another Imperial. Dice out of the way, get that out of the way. 3 packs. These are gonna be hype. These are, from everything I've seen, there's heat in every box. There's heat in just about every box. In every starter deck. Like I said, you should go, if you haven't watched it already, the blister pack opening. There's some heat. Oh my gosh. Come on. Struggle City right now. All right, so hollow Imperial with regular. Regular. All right. Let's put that there. All right, one more shot. One more shot of the Stellar. And then we go to the packs. That's what everybody's waiting for. Bang. Bang. Trying to keep the workplace clean. Almost cut myself in the face with scissors, but it's fine. I feel like I'm being efficient-ish. Maybe. Probably not at all. All right, all right, all right. This is the one I want. It's the one I want. Nothing. Nothing. Nope. All right, well, no Stellar. No Stellar, but we're not done. Fun's just beginning. The packs. The packs, the packs, the packs. Which have been nuts. So we shall see. I got my my penny sleeves ready. If I strike out, this would be so disappointing. Be beyond disappointing. All right, so I think, yeah. Funglow, which I saw the Stellar for Funglow, and it's sick. I'm not gonna lie to you. That one's another one. It's kind of cool. Last one. Polaracne, nothing. All right, there's one pack, nothing. This would be crazy if I strike out. Because every other starter deck I've seen, including the previous ones I've opened, a lot of heat in them. A lot of heat in them. All right, so there's two to the back. Bang. Blizzard. Race to the top. Oh, the Nimba going to the devil. And there's a sticky. Kryling, Vipyro, and 2 packs, nothing. 2 packs, nothing. Uh-oh. 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 We're just waiting. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. That's what I'm saying. Smokey the goat. That Nimbug art is hilarious. And all right. Hello Sandstorm. I don't know if I've pulled that yet or not, but that's not bad to have. It's not bad to have. So there's one starter deck worth done. What is this one? 2 to the back. Don't want to look at them. Permafrog. Ooh. Bang. Oh, it's cool. Frostmite. All right, let's see. Divine Blessing. Gotta love it. Graves go-to. Okay. Graves' favorite, I don't know if it's his favorite holo, but it's one of his favorite cards in this set. Shout out to him. All right. look. 2 to the back. All right, another the goat smoky rice roast. Balloon, wasp ivy, zaptor, and you know, this really should have been a hollow. I'm not gonna lie to you. That one looks like a hollow, but it's not. Only 2 hits so far. Only 2 hits. I need that full art. I need that full art magic. And please not Keon. Please not Keon. I have enough. I think we all have enough of Keon. Bang. All right. All right. Getting nervous. I'm getting nervous because we're, what, almost halfway through. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. How many we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is halfway. We got 2 hits. Halfway, we got 2 hits. This one's upside down. All right, Scythe of Demeter, Avalanche, Blizzard, Babloon. What's that one? Cyan Nectar. More Frost, Bears. Yeah, another no hit. Another no hit. This hurts. This hurts. Still, use the free shipping code if you're a Shattered Stars member. Pretty decent deal. Pretty decent deal. All right, so 2 to the back. Seeing a pattern. Oh, we got some different cards here. Maybe that's some good luck. No such luck. Galaxair. All we got is 2 hits. 2 hits. We got 4 left. 4 left. 4 packs left. This is hurting. This is hurting. But that's the chance you take. You know? That's the chance you take. You buy some stuff, it's a chance you take. All right. Bang. I mean, in 4 packs, we can get some crazy stuff. My Pyro. And, oh yeah, okay. Flame off. I pulled one of those in the last starter deck videos, but I'll take it. It's cool artwork. Cool artwork. I mean, I'm getting a ton of bulk too, which is nice. Okay. Last 3 packs. Last 3. Let's go. I need to pull something. I need to pull something else. A stellar would be, but okay, my station. It's a fan favorite. That's a fan favorite. I don't think I've pulled that yet. Maybe I have. Maybe in my my booster box. I don't remember what I pulled out of that. 2 packs left. Last 2. Last two. All right, 2 to the back. I'm getting nervous now. I'm not gonna lie to you. 3 pulls, 4 pulls. Okay, 4 pulls. Bang. Cerebrum. I don't know if that's good or not. If that card's good or not. Haven't really done the research yet. Last pack. Last pack magic. I mean, regardless, I got the mascots, but like I did in my ranking video, got to come up with a better name, just mascots. You know, Mystics, that's the one that keeps coming to me, but, you know, like Pokemon got the starters, the third evolution starters, maybe third ascensions. I don't know. Let's go with that, third ascensions. But here we go. Wait. Sandstorm got 2? Oh, a Boofin. Okay, I was like, wait a second. It's like, I'm like, it's got both? Okay, we're coming up. We're coming up. Last card. Last card. Is it hit or not? Is it hit or not? Not. That was a rough one. I'm not gonna lie to you, that was a rough one. But let's recap the hits. You know, obviously we got the 2 Cryo Scorch, the 2 Imperawatt, sick artworks. Not gonna lie to you. And then got the old Mistation, the Flam Moth, Divine Blessing, and Haboofin. That's that. I mean, starter deck. It's always fun cracking packs and stuff like that. Even though we didn't have a crazy video like last time, but hey, we still got hollows. Hope you're having a good one. See you in the next one.